Hello, my name is Paula Igualada Martinez and I'm a clinical specialist physiotherapist at Guy's St Thomas Hospital in London. I'm also a member of the Education Committee, which is responsible for reviewing and selecting the educational programme for the ICS annual meeting. This video is going to explain how to increase your chances of getting your workshop accepted at an ICS annual meeting. So why should you submit a workshop application? If there is something that you're passionate about and you think your institution inspires clinical and/or research excellence, then you should be sharing this with your peers. The ICS wants to educate our members in the field of incontinence and pelvic floor disorders, and you will be part of this education. Not only will you be pushing your personal boundaries by chairing an ICS workshop, but it helps you network and move your profession forward. How? To submit a workshop, the chair needs to be an ICS member. Simply visit the ICS website before the deadline to read the submission guidelines and prepare your workshop application. You can also view the application questions in advance, either by starting a draft application, which can be amended at any stage up until the deadline, or by visiting the preparation pages. It is essential you read the workshop guidelines ahead of submitting the application. They're not very long, but give you key information about how to submit and what restrictions you must adhere to. For example, you will need to ensure your speakers are planning to attend the ICS meeting, confirm themselves, and are reliable for meeting deadline requirements. Other essential guidelines include that your speakers might not speak in more than 2 workshops or chair more than 1. To increase your chance of successful selection, we recommend that you select a multidisciplinary international faculty for the best educational impact. If faculty do not meet these criteria, be sure to stay away in your application. Ensure that the topic and content is relevant to the ICS mission and the educational needs of the members and delegates. For example, if you are submitting a basic workshop, ensure the content is aimed at those who started their career. Also ensure that the content is up to date and founded in evidence-based medicine. Please choose a 60 or 90-minute length workshop. Only select 3 hours if your workshop is truly hands-on. The Education Committee expects all workshops to have an element of interaction with the delegates, regardless of the length. Ensure that your objectives are clear and that you describe how to intend to meet those objectives. Please also let us know if you would like to put in the effort to create learning assessment questions to assess outcomes. Please note, your workshop content will be filmed and made available on ICS TV. We also circulate the workshop slides after the meeting. You can amend your workshop application at any time right up until the deadline. Please note that the deadline is around the holiday period, so we recommend that you plan your submission in advance. We wish you good luck for your submission, and if you have any questions, then please do not hesitate to contact the ICS office.